Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Surush and I'm a foundation level student at Jahan School of Campus Islamabad, and today I am sharing my movie review, and my topic is what I learned from watching Coach Carter. Coach Carter is based on the true story of Ken Carter, a high school basketball coach who believed that success in life is more important than success in important sport alone. When we become the coach of his former school's basketball team, he introduced strict rules. He required every player to maintain good grades, attend classes regularly, show discipline, and respect others. His goal was not just to build a winning team, it was to help his students become successful individuals. The first and most important lesson I learned from this movie is that education comes first. Both Carter believed that sports could open doors, but education would prepare students for life. He reminded his players that talent on the basketball court is valuable, but knowledge and character create long-term success. This inspired me to understand that learning should always remain a top priority. Another important lesson is the value of discipline and responsibility. Coach Carter expected his players to be accountable to their action. They had to keep their promises, complete their school work, and respect the rules. The movie also teaches us the importance of work, hard work, and perseverance. Success does not happen overnight. Every player had to train consistently, improve their skills, and overcome personal change. So I also learned about the power of teamwork. A successful team is built on trust, communication, and supporting one another. The players learn that individual talent is important, but working together toward a shared goal leads to greater success. Another powerful lesson is believing in yourself. Someone player doubted their own abilities or felt limited by their background. Coach Carter encouraged them to see their true potential and aim for a brighter future. One of my favorite messages from the movie is that success is measured not only by trophies but by the person you become. Winning game is exciting, but developing integrity, respect, determination, and good character is an even greater achievement. The acting, emotional movement, and inspiring story make Coach Carter a memorable film. Since it is based on real event, it shows how one dedicated teacher or coach can transform the lives of young people through high expectation, encouragement, and genuine career. Thank you so much for watching. This is my movie review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in next video. Pakistan Zindabad.